so removing a couple capacitors. As you can see right here, there's plastic, so I need to put some sort of shield here to actually protect this. And I also want to put something here to protect this actually serial number so I don't lose that. So anyway, now with my hot air station, I can come in here and I'm going to come in from this side and I can heat up these capacitors here. In no time they should start popping up. Boy, what a bad smell. Ugh. Melted plastic, aluminum, and the electrolyte liquid. There, that one off. Next. Now you can see what the pad looks like underneath there. There, that one came off. I'm going to move the shield a little bit and start coming after some of these other ones. This board has a total of 17 capacitors to come off and to change. This is a LC2. I just got this in a couple days ago. It does boot up. It does have some weird sound effects coming out of the speaker, but that's probably because of this chip here, which is the sound chip. Being in this area of all these capacitors, it probably has some gunk underneath it, so it wouldn't be a bad idea to take it off and clean it and then put it back, which I may end up doing, or cleaning it with the ultrasonic cleaner. It may do the same thing. You see how fast these goes? Yeah, sweet. Okay, let's move this a little bit more. Now I'm going to take this other shield. These are just X-Acto knife blades. I'm going to put that there to protect that piece. Let's come in here. Let's get this one off. Hot air, it really makes a difference, but it can melt anything. Hot air is also used to take off these actually surface mount chips and all these other little components. So that's why I gotta be careful with what it's taken off. As the hot air heats up the board, all the other areas also start getting hotter, and the other capacitors come off easier. Pop yet on me today. This one almost popped, but it was quiet. Can't do too much of a zoom in on the video because I don't have it connected to my microscope. I'm just checking to see if there's any other damage done. Any other damage meaning if any of these actually resistors or these other type of capacitors flew off, and so far it looks pretty good. But you can see what the capacitor electrolytes did. You see how dark it is here? That's all caused by the liquid coming out of them. Okay, let me move these two. I have some other ones. I have 3 more. They're on the other side of the board here. Let's see. Let's do this one. This one here too. I need to use a shield because, as you can see, it's right by plastic. take long. This comes out pretty quick. There, that one off. Let's move this down. There are two more right there. We will put that there. Yeah, don't pick up that piece of metal with your fingers. That would not be a good idea because it's very hot. Now, why these capacitors get replaced is inside of them there is a liquid. There is a very corrosive liquid, and with age these capacitors start leaking because that liquid will start eating the metal and it'll start eating the base, and the base is plastic also. Then the liquid comes out, the liquid goes onto the board, and then it starts eating all of the copper traces. Too many copper traces gone, you got a lot of work to do to try to fix them. So the best thing to do is to replace these capacitors. I replace them with the tantalum capacitors. Those are solid core. There is no liquid in them. So after replacing that, you'll never have to do this again. There, the last one is off. Anyway, that's it for removing. Oh no, I still got one more. Oh, I didn't see that one. Let's get that last one off. Turn this around. Let's get that into the view. There you are. This one I don't have any plastic around here, so I'll just tackle it directly. Boy, this smell. Ugh. There. That one off too. Let's just double check. No other capacitors. It should have 17. You didn't see where I put them, but here's all the capacitor pool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And how many new ones do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, I miscounted. I'll have to find out which one is extra. Anyway, now comes the part of cleaning the board, and I'll do that in a video also.